I just made an automation that actually takes any screenshot that I put in a folder, allows me to write about it, repurpose it, and post it to Facebook, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And I'm working on some like YouTube video stuff as well. I'm going to show you like this screenshot to social machine is what I'm calling it. So we have this thing where like we produce about 100 different features every single week for our clients. So this is across like probably 20 different clients. There's automations in Make and Airtable. And I realized like there's a lot of stuff that we're building. I just don't even have time to tell the world about it and show some of the stuff that we're doing. And so I realized that I could make an automation that would help me solve this problem. So fundamentally how it works, first step is we drop any screenshot in this folder. Right? So we can put in screenshots from Slack where clients like really happy with our work. We can put screenshots of social proof from the internet. We can put screenshots of automations we built. We can put like images from anything, right? I've got like personal images where I'm like telling a story about something. So I just put that in there, right? The next step is an automation grabs that image. I'll show you what the automation looks like. So this one does, watch screenshots. So all it does is watch a folder and then find every new image in that folder. It makes it publicly accessible so I can add it to Airtable. It moves it to a process folder so I know like I've done something with it. Downloads the file and then puts it into Airtable. Right? And the reason we put it into Airtable is so that we can show a preview here. So it pops up here. And so these are the images and I can put in an image name like this is a Tampa Meetup 2023. Right? And I can put in some concepts like, I can write about community, meeting people in real life, and like which other automation agency, has real meetups. Something like this, right? I can put in tags that help me do something with it later. And then really what happens next is I can take one image and then write many posts about it. So I'll show you one that I've done already, which, okay, so this is a screenshot. This is like from a Slack conversation, obviously, right? And then we link this to the client, and we actually also have a testimonial video recorded for that client as well. So if I want to, okay, so I can write different things about this, right? So I can have, this is some kind of core notes, the image. I can select the type of post, right? Which is like video, automation inspiration, like number X, or just a regular post. I can include a linked testimonial. And then what it will do is change. Oh, maybe this formula is broken. Oh, it's only this is for short form. Okay, so I'll show you what this does. So if I go add post, maybe this one was working. Okay, so so you can see like the longer thing, right? So I can select, if it's a long form post, we have like the space to actually put in a link. I'm gonna put this one on LinkedIn, and then I can choose to toggle like whether I want to include the link to the testimonial video on YouTube. But I thought this was like really cool. And then after copy submitted, so I can like submit this to QA, and then I can hit schedule, and this pushes directly to Buffer, which publishes to LinkedIn and Twitter for me, and then it can publish to Facebook as well, right? So I can just like add this to Facebook and hit publish, and it just works. It's really, really cool. This is making it a lot easier for me to publish content. So I have like some stats here. We've uploaded, me and my team have uploaded 62 unique images to this folder. So anybody on my team can write to this folder for me, which is like really handy. I've got 39 written posts planned in the last like just couple days, right? We're talking about like 12 posts per day, 6 and 6, which is like, that's really cool. And then 21 written. I have the video scripts as well. And that. So like as a framework, I think this would be really useful for any kind of agency, maybe that does like ghostwriting, or any kind of marketing agency. If you have to get creative from your clients' social posts, like you could use the where is it? You can use the Google Drive API to auto generate a folder for your clients, like one per client. and then have an automation watch that folder and just grab any image, pop it into here, and then your team, you could maybe write like the initial concept that you'd like, the idea, and then have people write multiple posts from one image, which is really cool. So the same thing is true for me, right? Like, and there's like there's so many images here, right? So we have screenshots of testimonial videos. I have like personal photos that I want to go through and write stuff about. The last post 2 days ago, so I can, so this is a screenshot, and then I can write a lot of different things about this one screenshot. The other cool thing as well is like in Airtable, you can of course log dates, and I don't want to share the same screenshot within like a 2-week period or so, maybe a month period. I'll change it, but I'm also logging the date so that I don't schedule the same image, post about the same image too close together. So yeah, I thought this was a really cool idea I wanted to share. Yeah, hopefully that inspires you to build your own cool stuff. I'll show you some of the automations behind this. So we have a few different automations. Yes, testimonial stuff. So, I do like, automation inspiration number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. And so this like auto counts up, scheduling in a buffer. Obviously when I select like it's approved in Airtable, it pushes and triggers a make automation. What else? What does this do? It just creates a folders for the video posts. I realize like there's a lot of short form posts that if it goes well, I want to write more, like just more text about it and go into more detail. So it looks like I've got to change this. Okay, so, and then approving and then copy it. Oh, this is a really cool automation. So what I realized was sometimes you have a really cool post idea and you're like, I want every single time we have a screenshot of a YouTube video that's a testimonial video, I want to do a post about this, right? And so I made a little automation that would take that one idea and just copy it everywhere, so make it easier for me to repurpose stuff. So anyway, thought that was useful. Hopefully that inspires you. We of course do this for clients. If you want us to build something like this for you, if you have a marketing type agency or you have any other ideas you want to run by me, let me know, DM me or comment or wherever you're seeing this video, and we'll be in touch.